Okay, cool. So we have a Nasdaq short. Just pulled into my area of interest. We're moving away from it, at least at the moment. And let's see here. We're gonna target right here while I figure out exactly how I want to scale out of the position. All right, 18,516. I think I like that. So let's go. Half of the position size at 18,516. Even. Alright, that'll be a limit. And then the next one is going to be 18,495. All right. We wait. I did reattempt, or I attempted this short in the previous trade. And we got this big pullback back into my area of interest, but I broke even on that trade. I had a break-even stop loss. So that was good. It did run through my break-even stop loss, so I had to manually exit out of that trade, and I got out with, what was it? It was like $8, I think, in profit. So at least it was a safe break-even. So we'll see if this one will get a stronger push to the downside. I kind of think I want to split this up a little bit. Let's see here. $18,415. As well. So let's 18,495 limit, and then let's go 18,415. Is that what I said? $18,416. Yikes. Alright, let's see if we can push through the 50 moving average on the 5-minute time frame here. It's looking like a bounce up off of it. We wait. That moment you're trading and you hear some weird shit in your house, so you gotta check the security cameras, like, what the fuck was that? I see nothing on the cameras, but I hear things. What the fuck? Okay, I'm having audio hallucinations now. Cool. The fuck was that? Alright, anyway. Alright, yep, so we're still waiting. We're waiting to see if we get a nice push to the downside. I think I meant to double check these numbers. It's 4. That is correct. Alright, so once again, still waiting to see this this retest on making sure these contracts are the same. I don't know why I'm over here second guessing all these things all of a sudden. Okay, anyway, yeah, I'm in the right contract on both sides. Anyway, yeah, still looking for this retest right here for the 50 moving average in the 5-minute time frame, and hoping that we retest and then blow through it to the downside. Girls will like argue until like the fucking cows come home. Jesus Christ. I'm literally sad at the text messages I'm having to endure right now. I'm sad for myself. Okay. Sounds good. Exclamation mark. Busy trading. We'll deal with your bullshit later. Alright, we're just gonna toss that over there for now. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's get back to it. I guess that's not, is that even worth mapping out? This little tiny fair value gap? Is it even? I mean, like, barely. But that seems to be where we continue to retest and, at this time, reject from. I'm just gonna just so I have the visual there. Okay, it is 12:30, so I'm gonna have to be patient. I think 12:30 New York time is a little bit of a dangerous time to be taking trades, to be quite honest, but I liked the signals, you know what I mean? Alright, let's see if we can get a retest here again of this 50 moving average in the 5-minute time frame. My body and like my level of patience just got to Friday. Like I'm feeling the Friday kind of energy where you're just like, alright, I'm ready to be done working and just fuck off for the rest of the day and the weekend. Study, of course, but in the meantime, in between time, one thing that I absolutely adore about trading stocks and futures is that there is a period where you can like turn off and get out of that zone of like wanting, feeling, needing to be in a trade, and it frees, like, because when I used to trade crypto, I was like, I just was like always in a trade, and like it didn't go well. So now that I trade futures, it's like the market, I mean, granted, like during the weekdays, it's only closing for like 1 hour during the day, but there's certain, like the weekends, right? Once we get past Friday, then we actually have a period where like the market is completely closed. And I think I'm gonna put a stop here. And I'm doing that prematurely, but sometimes when there's like a larger candle, I'll place the stop early, just because it's an indication to me that like we may have just like we're more volatile now. So it's like I just want to protect in case anything happens against me. But yeah, like in crypto, the market is just like always open. So if you are impulsive, if you don't have like that self-discipline, like you're going to just be in the market all the time. And that's how it used to be for me. But now I utilize the weekends to study, review my journaling. It's just very healthy, you know? So I'm just not constantly in the market. Plus there's just periods where like, now I understand like there's times when the market is just dead and it's just not the best time to be in a trade. And the education that I have stumbled across from like mentors in the future space is like, it's just so much different than what it was with like, you know, people that I found in the crypto space, which nothing against crypto. It could just be the information that I stumbled across, but like the mentorship and the education has just been a lot different and a lot more valuable for me personally. Part of me is kind of like, I don't know if I want to just exit out of this trade if it happens to reject here, because this is about where I saw a move against me when I was in this trade before. And it is Friday and it is 12 o'clock. So part of me kind of just wants to maybe just be like, all right, that's fine, and just come back to the market and for maybe like power hour, or maybe not at all. I don't know. I guess let's try to give this a chance. It's under the 50 moving average, both the 3 and the 5 minutes. So let's give it. 10 seconds left on the 3-minute candle. A minute left on the 5-minute candle. There's another fair value gap. It's almost guaranteed gonna pull up a little bit. Fuck. Do I want to remove my break-even stop and take the risk? No, I don't think there's any reason to. Let's leave the break-even stop in place. If it gets hit, then let's re-enter. I wish I would have noticed that earlier. Then fuck, that's a break-even 2 times in this spot.